So it's now time to get serious about tuning this thing. We drove this thing last video and we really were kind of disappointed about some of the results. So Jason, what are we gonna do to fix that?
Yeah, so it seemed like it was running a little bit lean at the top end especially. So we're just gonna go to the fuel map real quick and just kind of change the bottom values to just be full injector all the time. And then we'll see how that goes and then fine tune from there.
Yeah, so basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna sit in it and put load on the engine using the brake. Definitely not the best way to do it, but we don't have access to a dyno or anything, and it's not like we can drive holding the laptop and tuning and data logging. Once we unlock that upper rev range, we'll take it out and hopefully get a good ripping in.
Alright, so now we're just making sure that the engine's warm so that the O2 sensor's warmed up and it's in closed loop fuel before we start tuning it.
Alright, pardon the interruption, but as y'all know, we hit a huge milestone in subscribers and stuff, so in here should be our 100K plaque, so let's take a look. Okay.
Ooh, wow.
Alright, well, thank you, Susan.
It is hand signed. I knew Susan did that.
Susan signed this, if y'all were wondering. So you've just done something very few YouTuber creators accomplish. You have astonishing 100,000 people subscribed to your channel. It's a lot of people, and oh!
Ooh, there she is.
Dang, people. I can't wait to hang this in the garage and get an angle grinder on it and stuff.
Let's open her up.
Alright, let's get around it, smile.
Thank you to all our subscribers that helped us hit this milestone. We wouldn't be holding this plaque without you. Honestly, Susan should write you all some letters too.
Stop.
So, thank you to all the subscribers. We wouldn't be having this without you. Thank you, Susan.
Thank you, Go Power Sports.
Let's get back to work.
We do need to be able to see all the data, the O2 sensor, all that type of stuff to really be able to tune it and see what's going on. So we just picked up a Walmart tablet. Okay, so the plan is that we're gonna have our tablet mounted up here with a little cowl over it to just kind of blend it into our body. It'll be super easy to use. This thing was $65 at Walmart. It's got all we need. It has Bluetooth, battery lasts 5 hours, and it's just the basics. It's actually, that's not bad. I mean, it's plastic, but
What color is it? Blue?
like a navy.
Nice. Now scale it up, see how she's gonna look.
Yeah, that'll be nice. That's perfect.
Yeah, if you were doubting how much money we had into this cart already,
got some more. Okay, so Ecotrons offers a Bluetooth adapter for their kit, so you don't always have to have like a laptop or something plugged in through cables to see what's going on. So we got a little cheap Walmart tablet, and from here you can see everything that's going on with the engine. We got throttle, O2, RPM, map, battery, just pretty much everything we'll ever need to know. And I'll make a nice little, just kind of a temporary mount. We'll just zip tie to the steering wheel or something like that, and we'll know what's going on. So now we just need to set up everything, get the digital dash working, and we can drive it.
All right, man, so how'd it drive?
Yeah, so much better. So it's kind of, you can either drive it like two ways. If you ease into it, then you kind of can't floor it near the end. But if you floor it from the beginning, then it just keeps going and goes all the way to rev limiter. I'm sure you guys could hear it just kind of rev limiting at the end.
Yeah.
But yeah, we didn't have any really problems with it cutting out or anything. It has a lot more power than it had last time we drove it. I mean, it's pretty dang fast. Yeah, it's impressive.
Can you feel boost kick in?
Yeah, it just kind of keeps pushing you, and I guess it's not like on and off, but it kind of builds and just keeps going and going till red line.
Sweet. All right, yeah, I guess we'll get some rollers and stuff. It seems good. Okay guys, this thing is insane. The problem is, like, when it turns up, it just rattles so much and everything's coming loose. We actually lost the box that holds like the Bluetooth receptor for the digital dash. So hopefully it's not broken because it's like a $60 part. Yeah, but overall, this thing has zero torque, absolutely none. If you have an off-road cart and you're thinking about doing a turbo on it, don't. It's not gonna move. But this is really about the experience. We're really not, we've gone this far, we obviously know it's probably not gonna make a crazy amount more power, but we're just doing it for the experience. There's nothing like having a boosted go-kart, and we can say we've experienced it. So that's kind of the reason we're doing it. But I do think it makes a lot of power at top end now. On the last drive, we couldn't even think about passing 3/4 throttle, and now you can floor it for a dig and just ride it out to redline. So thank you, Go Power Sports. All the parts from this thing are from Go Power Sports, with the exception of the turbo and stuff, but it has a stage 4 fully built engine. You can buy kits on their site. We'll have links in the description. So thank you for watching. See you next time.